Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for all you bread and dessert lovers out there, keto breads and desserts. Yes, you heard it right, breads and desserts that not only satisfy your cravings, but also help you burn fat and lose weight. So, stick around as we dive into the world of delicious, guilt-free treats. Now, you might be wondering, how can breads and desserts be keto-friendly and still aid in weight loss? Well, it's all thanks to the magic of low-carb, high-fat ingredients that keep your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. Take this beautiful loaf of keto bread, for example. It's made with almond flour, eggs, and a touch of baking powder, creating a fluffy texture that rivals traditional bread. But here's the kicker: each slice contains only a fraction of the carbs found in regular bread, meaning you can enjoy it without worrying about derailing your diet. And the best part? Keto bread doesn't just taste amazing, it actually helps you stay on track with your weight loss goals. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable and promoting satiety, you'll find yourself feeling fuller for longer, making it easier to resist those tempting snacks and treats. Of course, we can't forget about desserts. Who said you had to give up sweets to lose weight? Not with these decadent keto desserts. From creamy cheesecake bites to rich chocolate avocado mousse, there's no shortage of indulgent treats to satisfy your sweet tooth. And absolutely delicious. And the best part is, these desserts are packed with healthy fats and protein, making them not only a guilt-free indulgence, but also a smart choice for anyone looking to shed those extra pounds. So there you have it, folks, keto breads and desserts that allow you to enjoy the foods you love while still reaching your weight loss goals. Whether you're craving a hearty sandwich or a decadent dessert, going keto has never been tastier or more satisfying. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious keto recipes.